my baby, my Valentine, yeah. Boy, now you done making my temperature rise. If you leave me, I go die, I swear. You are like the oxygen I need.
Hi guys, my name is Noni Matikela. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we're talking about Umuzi Sibiya telling Baloyi off. She was sick and tired of being asked the same thing over and over. He even pointed out ukuthi even if you can ask it from anywhere, because what Baloyi is doing to Muzi, he is going to take Mngomezulu's transcript where Mngomezulu was cross-examining whoever, and then he will ask questions on that. Take the same questions and go ask and the same questions and go ask on a transcript of Mshololo, perhaps on a transcript of Ramusipile. That's what he, on a transcript of Ngomalo. That's what he is doing there. And he is asking the same questions and the answers are still the same. So Muzi is sick and tired of Ubaloyi and he's like, futek. It's like futek awukwazi kaloku ngibuza. He even goes as far as asking ukuthi angazi nokuthi he's trying to trick me. I'm untrickable. Uyamtrigger. He is asking the same question. What do you want from me? And then uthi it's been 10 days. 10 days with Ubaloyi. He's been doing the same thing. I love Muzi Sibiya's fighting spirit, guys. I want him to continuously say, you've asked this question and it's for Uti, you ask the same question 15 times. Uti, you ask this question and you keep continuing to ask me from different papers. Oksalayo, the answer is still the same. And then one thing that I noticed about that, Judge Ratha was not in. Most when someone says, I'm talking to you, you will look at them, listen to them. That's not what happened with Judge Ratha. He's not looking at Muzi. He's unbothered. I don't even think he hears Muzi. I don't think so. I don't think Judge Ratha hears what Muzi is saying. He doesn't care. He's focusing on whatever because he's looking down. I didn't even see him because when Muzi started talking like that, I think any sane person or any... I'm not saying Judge Ratha is insane. I'm just saying any sane, including him, is supposed to look. What? Usutini manje, witness. No, Judge Ratha decided, I'm not going to do that. He is very much sane, Judge Ratha. He decided he's not going to look at him. And I don't think he even cared Ukututinu Muzi. I don't even think Judge Ratha gives a damn about Muzi and whatever Muzi said. He doesn't. I don't even think if someone was to ask him, what did Muzi say, he would know. I don't think so. He simply, it's like, he's sitting like this, guys. And then you're like, oh God, he's on some form of, when are we getting done? He doesn't care, guys. He's not listening to Muzi. I don't think he heard what Muzi said. Hence, Omnisi got up and said, we can't be having this. We can't be having this circus where I was expecting the court to say something. Judge Ratha said nothing, guys. Up until and that's why I made a video saying that I don't think even when Mnisi got up and said the things that he said, he understood where was he coming from with that. I don't think so. If you think I got it all wrong, drop a comment in the comment section because wow, Judge Ratha, guys. Wow, this man, Haibo. He will never stop shocking us. When you think you have seen it all when it comes to Judge Ratha, oh my dear, you will see something else. When you think you've seen it all, you will see something else. But hey, Haibo, guys, lo chachi. So what are your thoughts when it comes to this? Let's talk in the comment section. I want to hear your views. Thank you so much. I will see you on our next video. Bye-bye.
Lana ke uadvocate Mshololo naye ke ushokena ke ufakazi lana ke engizama ke ukuthi ngikuthole kusho yena ke uadvocate Mshololo ukuthi ke yini eyayisemqondweni wakhe ke umsola ngaleso sikhathi leso ke owawunale yonhlolo khono kanye naye ukuthi yini ke ayichazelwa umsola nanje ngoba ke waqhubeka naye nokuthi ke ingaba lokho kwachazwa noma ke kwashiwo kahle yini noma ke ngendlela ayizwayo.
Usekatolo ngikwedlonipho nje ngina 10 days ngila umshushisi unokungibuza umbuzo oyi1 kaningi ngimphendule kumele ngiphinde ngimphendule umbuzo oyi1 lokhu nguphendula kaningi.
Okay. With my lord, with the greatest of respect, I've been in this box for 10 days, and the same question has been repeatedly posed to me by the prosecutor. I would answer that question, but the very same question would be put to me over and over again.
Ngina 15 days ngila eboxini ngina 10 days ngibuzwa imibuzo umshushisi unokuthi abuze umbuzo oyi1 kaningi mhlambe ka 15 noma kangaka umbuzo oyi1 ngibuza kaningi ngoba nalento le angibuza yona eKama Mshololo namanje answer yakhona ngisalibele ngisho ukuthi umuntu oyela eboxini babebuza umbuzo iwitness yayila eboxini bevivinya ubufakazi bewitness yayila eboxini akusikho ukuthi mina ngithe uHadebe khona amalungelo angifundela uHadebe awekho amalungelo angifundela wona.
I've been in this witness dock for 15 days, and it's been 10 days that the state has been has been cross-examining me, and even with this particular portion that has been read to me now by the state with regards to Advocate Mshololo, this is what was put, or the witness's version or evidence was being tested, but not to say that this is what I said. I still maintain that there's nothing that Hadebe read to me or rights that Hadebe explained to me.
Witness estate la umshushisi makuthi witness kwenzeka ubuzwa umbuzo okwabuzwa mhlambe ubabomnisi usubuzwa ubaba Ramsipit ebese umshushisi ebavimbe ethi lo mbuzo lo uphendulile kusikhathi kusa ebuzwa umnisi lo mbuzo lo awulungele ukuthi uphinde kawu2 kodwa kimi ngithola impela ngathi ngithola utrial okungekho kahle esandleni makuthi mina ngibuzwa imibuzo kuze kube kaningi ngibuzwa umuntu oyi1 umbuzo kuze ngibuze wona mhlambe ka 4-5.
There were state witnesses that were called before this court, my lord, and if it happened that a question would be posed by Advocate Mnisi that was posed to the witness by Mr. Ramusipile, the state would then get up, or the state would then object and say that the question has been put. So I feel now that I am getting an unfair trial here, because now the same question is being repeatedly asked to me by the same person.
Umshushisi akumele bekhona umuntu amdefendayo noma umuntu angamdefend umshushisi ngokomthetho umuntu ukuthi ufuna ukuthola iqiniso ukuthi kwenzakalani.
And the state should not be defending a particular person and not defend the other person. By law, the state is supposed to get the truth as to what really happened.
Kodwa ngithola sengibuzeke imibuzo eminingi umbuzo oyi1 umbuzo kaningi umbuzo oyi1 kaningi ngicina ngingasazi ukuthi umshushisi kahle kahle uqonde ukungitrika or uqonde ukwenza njani angisatholi kahle so sengibona ngathi itrial yami ayisekho fair.
Now, my lord, I find myself in a situation where I'm being asked the same question over and over again. I don't know whether the state wants to trick me or what, and I now feel that my trial is not being fair, or I'm not being tried fairly.
Mr. Sibia,
Can I just get the dates of the transcript from the interpreter?
Survive, I'll be